Hello everyone, it's me JB from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I'll show you how to know if the URL link has tracking information or not without using any software or application. So without further delay, let's begin. So firstly, let me show you. Say I have one URL link here. So you can see here I have one URL link, right? So by seeing, you may not be able to judge that whether this URL link has tracking information or not. So let us try to copy it firstly. And let me try to paste it on any web browser and let me try to visit it. So it's a Apple Twitter official page. So now in order to confirm whether this URL link has really a tracking information or not, so what I'm gonna do is, you can see here one question mark just after the Apple, right? And you will see here T equal to and some alphabet, some numbers here and some symbols until the end. And now if I try to remove all this, I'll just keep the rest, and if I hit enter, it will still open the Apple's Twitter official page. Now let us try. If I try to delete this alphabet E, and if I hit enter, there is no such account on the Twitter, right? And if I add E again, and if I hit enter, then it will reopen the official Apple Twitter page. That means this is the website link with no trackers, and this is the website link with trackers. That means if we see here by comparing side by side, so the earlier URL link was this, and after removing the rest part which I've shown you earlier, the URL links remain this, but still we are able to see the similar websites using both these URL links. So what it indicates that this additional symbols or alphabets are the tracking informations. That means this URL link has our tracking informations. So finally, we have come to know whether this URL link has tracking information or not without using any software or application. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button, and lastly, thanks for watching.